calculate 4/9 of 72 kilograms. So I need a bar, and I need to split this into ninths. So I'm going to split into 3 first, and then each of those is going to have 3 in them as well. So there's my ninths. Now this whole bar is going to represent my 72 kilograms. And I want to split it into those 9 boxes, so I need to do 72 divided by 9, which is 8. So there's going to be 8 in each box. Now I only want 4/9, so if I shade in 4 of those boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, so each of those boxes is a 9th, so I want 4/9, I need 4 boxes. So that means I've got 8, 16, 24, 32, so my answer is 32 kilograms.